It smells so good. If you test.
Yeah.
All right, guys, time for another review. And this is going to be on Turtle Wax's Wash and Wax Tropical Scent version. Now, I got this from Costco, and it goes for got this from Costco, and this goes for $16 a gallon, and it actually has like a scratch and smell right here. So I promise you, like, I'm not slicing this at all. This smells absolutely incredible. I mean, this might be one of the best smelling soaps I've ever used. So I did a review a few years ago on a different version of Turtle Wax's Wash and Wax. Now, this is a tropical version, and it's supposed to set up real nice, and it's also infused. Oh, it's infused with a banana coconut scent. So that's what it's giving. That's exactly what it's giving. It's a pH neutral, so it's not going to destroy any wax or coatings that are on your vehicle already. Or if you want to use this as a standalone, it does give it the tiniest bit of protection because of the wax polymers that are in it. Now, let's just go ahead and open it and give it the smell test first, okay? All right, it's open. Let's give it the first test. All right, so I got my foam cannon full of water, which is about, let's see, this is 950 milliliters, and this is up to 24. Okay, and let's put about 2 ounces of wash and wax in here. Now, just pouring it in here, I noticed that the soap isn't super thick. I'm gonna actually put a little bit more, see if we can create some more suds. Yeah, this stuff isn't super thick compared to some other soap that I used recently, but it's okay. That's what we're here doing this review for. So now I'm going to set the camera up. See, it's nice and blue. Smells incredible, guys. Smells so good. I'm gonna set the camera up. I'm gonna foam it down and just take a look at how it sets up. All right, it's time to put this thing to the test, guys. Let's go ahead and try this out. What I can tell you is that it's super legit. I like it. It smells really good. I'm telling you guys, you spray the foam, you spray the soap on the car, the foam on the car, and you can instantly, like, people could probably smell the soap from 15, 20 feet away. It smells so good. If you're someone who really cares about good smelling soap, I would highly recommend going with this. I'm going to clean the wheels. I'm going to foam it down again. I might throw a little extra soap just to see if it suds up a little bit more, and then we'll just do a final thought on the end. All right. I had about half a foam cannon full of water, and then I put about 3 more ounces of the Tropical Scent Wash and Wax by Turtle Wax. Let's go ahead and foam this a second time, and this will be for my contact wash. I just finished the wheels and rinsing the car down thoroughly. Let's go ahead and see how it looks. It smells incredible. It smells incredible. Just to wrap up this video, this Turtle Wax Tropical Wash and Wax was absolutely one of my favorite soaps. The suds were a little bit more minimal than your average soap, but I feel like this is a really solid soap, and I would definitely rate this a good solid 7 out of 10. And it's mainly because of the smell. Also, when I was washing, it definitely glided and had really good lubrication, had some good glide all over the car when the soap was on top, so it made the wash super slick and really easy. But the smell is absolutely everything. This is probably top 2 best smelling soaps I've ever used, and it's not just because I'm doing a small review on it. It's because it does smell that good. And you can get this at your local Costco right now for $16 a gallon. All right, thanks for watching the video, and I'm gonna keep making some more videos for you guys soon.